Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we are looking at the pulmonary surfactant composition. So, the majority, say about 80% of it is found by the phospholipids. 80% is found by the phospholipids and mainly the DPPC. So, DPPC, it stands for the dipalmitoyl phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine. This is DPPC. So it amounts to about 70 to 80%. Then we have the proteins. Next is the proteins. Proteins amounts to about 10%. And then comes the neutral lipids. So this neutral lipids, it forms about 10%. Now let's recap what we did here. We saw the pulmonary surfactant composition. So a majority of it is about 70 to 80%. It amounts to the phospholipids as well as the DPPC. This DPPC full form is nothing but dipalmitoyl phosphatidylcholine. The remaining 20% is formed equally among the proteins, that is 10%, and the neutral lipids, that is also amounting to 10%.